Today, I'm going to tell you a very, very important thing. You are ready? You are with me? Okay, I know some of you are feeling sleepy, but all the sleep will go. Now, you ready? Human beings do so many things, right? All our activities that we do belong to two categories. One is expression, and other is, can anybody guess?
Emotions.
Emotions is also like expression. Wow! Oh! Yay! These are all expressions. Wherever you go, you will be taught to be expressive. Express yourself. Were you taught ever? Were you ever taught? Be expressive. Express your emotions, thoughts, feelings, everything. That is one is expression. There is something. The most important thing. The second one is called perception. Say it out. Perception. Okay. When you are expressing something, you are using mind, body. You're doing so many things. Oh, right? But what about perception? What is perception? What is perception?
When you stop thinking.
Clap. Give a clap to him. In perception means understanding. Seeing the things and understanding. Whether it is a person or a number or a situation. If you go and look, you should get a deep understanding. That is called a perception. So, for perception, what is to be done? What should we do for perception? Stop thinking. The mind has to be calm. It's like, I have a lake of water. Okay, there is something at the bottom of the lake. What do you call it? At the
Lake bed.
lake bed. Okay. If the water is shaky, can you see something inside? What is there inside? No. But if the water is calm, you can see inside? The same way. That is what we have been doing before the start of the class. We sit silently, right?
Basically,
Make friends with zero. Make friends with zero. That is what? Okay. Suppose you is my friend. Okay. He suddenly came, he knocked my door and came in. As soon as he, what do you do? What I do usually? Hey, yesterday night my father bought me a new toy. Let's play, yaar. And then, yesterday. Hey, Tamika, yesterday my mother made a nice laddu. You start talking. Right? Is this expression or perception? This is all expression. But before that, before expression, what is to be done? Perception. Whenever you see somebody or a number or a situation, what is to be done? Perception. Just for a moment, just see. Maybe you is in pain. Maybe he's so joyful and he wants to share something. You don't know, right? What's to be done? Just understand him completely, the situation, and then you do. Now coming back to the numbers, okay? The same with numbers. If you see the number or a problem, if you perceive it correctly, the answer will come automatically. Okay? There was a person, okay? I want to introduce that person today. Who was the one who knew everything about every number? Okay? Just fold your hands when you hear to his name. His name was Srinivasan Ramanujam. Say it out. Ramanujan. He was the master. He was so intensely capable of perceiving that you say him any number and he knows what are the characteristics of that number. Okay, once he was sick. I think some of you might have heard this story. So Ramanujan was sick, he was in hospital, he was in a bad shape. Somebody came to visit him. Okay, and then that guy had told Ramanujan, I came by a taxi here. That number is so uninteresting. 1729. There is nothing special about that number that I said. This Ramanujam is almost like, he was closing, he was almost drowsy, he was not feeling well. Then he said, 1729 is one of the most interesting numbers. Because that is the smallest number that can be expressed as sum of the cubes of two digits in two different ways. That's what he said. That means 1729 is equal to, what is a square and a cube?
Yes.
Square is?
No, it's a 10.
Okay, suppose 2 power 2. 2 cube, this is called 2 square. That's called 2 times 2. 2 cube means multiply 2 3 times. 2 times 2 times 2. That is called a cube. He said this number is 1 cube plus 12 cube, and also this number is 9 cube plus 10 cube. You can express in 2 different ways. That is the smallest number, he said. Did he think? He didn't even think. The answer came. Then that guy asked, how did you get this answer? You know what he said? Can you guess?
Perception.
He said, my Devi bleeds mathematics.
Who is this
Devi, what we call 0, he calls as Devi. So, today we will do certain experiments, okay? We will solve some problem. We'll try to solve by just perception. You are ready? You are ready to do this experimentation? We'll see. Today we are going to learn the square roots. You know what is the square root?
Yeah.
You know squares. Suppose 5 square is 5 times 5 is 25. You know this. What then we call the reverse is the square root of 25 is 5. Easy. Suppose 10 square is 100. The square root of 100 is you know this. Okay? This. Hey, do you all remember the duplex we learned last time? Long back, okay, one person didn't know what is a duplex. Duplex is the friend of Uncle Man. He is the one we will use to find the squares of any number on this planet very easily. Right or wrong? Okay, first we'll say, for him we'll say, duplex, we call it D, of any single digit number is its square. Suppose duplex of 2 is 4. Duplex of 7 is 40. Now you know this. Duplex of a 2-digit number is you multiply these 2 digits and double it. That is called a duplex. Duplex of 12 is 1 times 2, 2, double it, 4. Okay, duplex of 36 is
81.
multiply and then double.
36.
Multiply is 18. 3 times 6 is 18. Double it. 36. That is the duplex. Okay, duplex of 71 is multiply them and then double. 7 times 1,
7.
double it,
14.
14. You know it. You know. Duplex of 22 is
8.
2 times 2, 4, double it, 8. Okay, and then the final one. Okay, I'll tell you just how to do it. Okay, we don't need it anymore much. Suppose duplex of a 3-digit number. How do you do? Okay, you tell. Multiply them, these two first. Double it. How much?
6.
Plus
2.
the last one, single digit is remaining. What do you call? We square it. 2 times 2, 4. The duplex is 10. Like this. Suppose duplex of a big 1, 2, 3, 4. How to do it? Who can tell? You tell?
So should do 1 and 4.
1 and 2 multiply.
8. So you said
Double.
1 and 2. You said 1 and 2 multiply.
Sorry, 1 and 4 multiply and then
4 and then
double. That is
8.
plus 2 and 3 multiply.
6.
Double it.
12.
12. The answer is. That's all. Any number, any digit. For any digit, this is how you find duplexes. And then this duplex we use in finding the squares of the numbers. I give you an example right away. For example, there is a number 21 and you want to find out the square. What is to be done? I'll tell this. I know some of you know. First, we would find the duplex of 2. Okay, and combine with the duplex of 21 and combine with the duplex of 1. First find the duplex of 2, then the duplex of 21 and then the duplex of 1. Okay, what is the duplex of 2?
4.
4. What is the duplex of 21?
6.
21 is 6.
4.
2 times 1, 2, double. 4. What is the duplex of 1?
1.
1, that's it, that's it.
Same example.
Yeah. Listen, do you know it? This is so easy. Okay, want to try one more? 23. What? 23 square. This one I will have a carry. So we have to do it. First, what is the first duplex? Okay, okay. Who can tell the answer right away?
5 to 9. 5 to 9.
Oh, 5 to 9. Oh my God, you got class. Oh my God, you're so quick. Even you are quicker than me. First duplex of 2 is 4. You keep it in mind. Duplex of 23 is 12. 1 is the carry and gets eaten by 4. It becomes then 5 and 2, 52. 5 2 is the answer. Okay. Then finally the duplex of 3 is 9. So answer is 5 to 9. Right? 4, 12 and 9. So this is 5 to 9. This is how it goes. I will give you one more example. You ready? You're all ready? This time now you enable, turn on your receivers. Receiving perception same, right? Turn on your receivers. Suppose there is signal and your phone is off. Can you get the call? No. Right? Now make sure your receivers are on. Ready? Because after this we are going to learn something new. Okay? Maybe 1 or 2 examples. You are ready? Suppose there is a number 36 square. How to do? Okay, all of you do it yourself and tell the answer. Duplex of 3, duplex of 36 and finally duplex of 6. So how to do is first, what is the duplex of 3? 9. Okay, keep it in mind. What is the duplex of 36? 36. We already saw. The 3 goes and get eaten by 9. So it becomes 12 and what was the remaining number there? 6. So the 1, 2, 6 is the number. And then 1, 2, 6 in Vedic mathematics, the only thing you have to remember always one number. What is that number?
0.
No, every time it changes. Okay. So 1. What is the number in mind? 1, 2, 6. Okay. Now what is the duplex of 6? 36. 3 gets eaten by 1 to 6, and then the answer is 1, 2, 9, 6. Okay. That's how it is. The answer is 1, 2, 9, 6. Okay. Duplex of 3 is 9, and then we have 36, and then we have another 36. This is how you combine the things in mind. You can also do from right to left. Okay, for babies we teach from right to left. Okay, are you babies? No. Give a little tough one. 61 square. All of you do inside in your mind. What is your answer?
6 and 1.
No. The answer is a 4-digit number, okay? 3721. What is your answer?
3821.
3821. Okay. What is your answer? What is this right?
3721.
What is your answer?
3721.
What is your answer? So clap to Tamika. Shabbash. So what is the first duplex? Duplex of 6 is 36. What is the number in mind? 36. What is the number in mind? 36. Then duplex of 61 is 12. Okay, 1 gets eaten by 36. So the answer is 3, 7, 2. That is the number in mind. What is the number in mind? What is the number in mind? What is the number in mind? Okay. Then what is the duplex for 1? 1. No, there is no carry. So the answer is 3, 7, 2, 1. You got it? This much? All of you got it? Now, you ready? If you just do the reverse of this process, you can find the square root of a number. Okay? I will not tell you the procedure. If I tell you the procedure, anybody, babies can do it. I will not tell you anything, but you should tell the answer. You are ready? In Vedic mathematics, everything you learn, if you reverse it, you learn something new. You can always come back. Okay? It's like a maze. You know how to enter, but you get lost, you can't come back. No, that will not happen in Vedic mathematics. If you can enter successfully, you can come back successfully.
Put it in the video.
It's already.
You told us to see it.
Oh, okay. So, okay, ready? Now, we will see the square root of, say, for example, 1681. There is a number, 4-digit number. The square root of this number is a how many digit number? 1-digit number? No, it's a 2-digit number. Okay. So it's a if the number is a 2-digit number, its square root is 1-digit number. If a number is a 10-digit number, its square root is a 5-digit number. Okay. So now the square root of 1681 has 2 digits. Now I want you to see. Okay, as imagine some number here. Okay, and you think as if you are finding the square of this number, and you got this. And what could be this number? You all think. If you make those 3 duplexes, whatever it is, okay, these 3 duplexes, let's make a square of it, you get this number. Now, you have to find this number. Yeah. This is Lokraj. And this is Himani. Okay. There are 2 digits here. Okay, find Lokraj and Himani. Some people said, wait, don't talk. Some people said the answer is 49. This is like babies. Some people said because the square root of 16 is 4. Square root of 81 is 9. So you put 49. Do you think this is right? Okay, so that means you took the duplex of this and put here. You took the duplex of this and you put here. There should be another duplex, no, in the middle. So, you think again now.
77?
No.
Yeah, so that's why I'm asking you. Is it like
Yeah, what is your answer?
41?
Claps to him. He got it finally. He got it.
How?
Okay.
1 into 1 is 1.
4, 1 is the answer.
How?
How? So, you first you do the square it and then find it out yourself. Okay. I don't want to tell the procedure right away. I gave you a simple one because there is no carry here. Okay. Okay. There are only 3 calculations. This is 1 duplex. This is 1 duplex, and this is 1 duplex. This is the duplex of the left digit. This is the duplex of the both digits, and this is the duplex of the
1 digit.
right digit. You understand now? Okay, I'll give you some similar one. Can you do it?
Yes.
You are all ready?
Yes.
Okay, I'll give you one more. This is now it's easy. Now I gave you the hint. Now you get. Okay, now we'll see. We are ready? Okay. What is the duplex of 0484?
Put the use of the 0 there.
Okay.
It should trick us.
Okay, I remove it for you.
How many?
The answer is getting 2 digit. Hey, answer is 2 digit. No, I know you got the answer. Hey, you already saw the answer.
1 on top.
Huh?
Wait,
The answer is
22.
22. Oh my god, you got it. So because this is the duplex of the first digit. This is the duplex of the both digits, and this is the duplex of the second digit. You got it? Ready? Ready?
Yes.
Square root of 961.
How many digits?
2 digits.
31.
31.
31.
All got? Hey, did you? You all got? Okay, 31. It's so easy, huh?
Can you harder one?
Harder one?
But without carry though, without carry. But with carry.
Anything's fine.
Sir,
Amma?
can you give me an easy one?
Okay, what is the square root of 144? 2 digit. Nobody say. Nobody should say. Nobody should say. Only for her.
Well,
So this
yeah, guys, you learned
there
it.
is a digit here. Its duplex is this. What is this digit? 1. And there is this digit. If you take a duplex of these two, we get here this. What is this? 2. So then double check. What is the duplex of 2?
4.
It's easy? Oh my god, now you are finding it very, 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 very easy. Hey, now all of you get ready. This is the challenge for you.
Oh no.
This is the challenge for you. What is the square root of 1849? This one will have a carry. That's why I want to think of it. Think of it. Think of it.
How many digits?
2 digits.
What? 2 digits. You do 2 digits. 18 and 14.
It's a two-digit number. Now, do you think the duplex of this digit is 18? No, but almost 18, but less than 18. That's the hint.
17. Yeah, no.
Think of it. Think of it.
4.
Yes. There is some number. What is here? Okay. Is 18 a perfect square?
No.
17? 8, 16?
Yes.
Then the answer is? First answer is?
I know the answer. I know the answer.
4.
I know the answer.
Then tell.
3. 3.
Say all of you say it out.
43.
43 claps to yourself. Hey. Now we will all teach Malhar. Malhar, thanks for giving us an opportunity to teach you how to do the square root. Who will teach him?
Both the siblings.
Okay.
Not me. I can do it. So easy. I can do it.
Please.
So it's 2 digits, so there are 3 duplexes. So then this, and this.
Okay, understood.
Hey, understood, but let him tell. Now you see the perception is working for you.
So then the duplex of 4 is 16. Okay. So then these two numbers have to have a duplex which is 4 and a carry which is 2. So 24.
Yeah, 18 minus 16 is
2.
2. It's like the next duplex. It's like the next duplex is 18 minus 16, 2, 24.
24 or 6?
24. So then what number duplex is 24?
Or at least close to 24, but less than 24.
Yeah. Oh wait, no. 3. Yeah. 3. So then 4 into 3, 12 into double it is 24. So then now to check 3, what's the duplex of 3? 9. What?
9, right?
Yeah.
Claps.
9.
Wow, lovely. I'm so happy. Now you see the perception is working. Okay, I didn't tell you anything. One more. Okay.
Easy.
Okay.
Carry over.
Okay. What is the square root of 1369?
No carry over, right? How many digits? How many digits? 2 digits.
The answer is 2 digits.
And can you write the answer like Netu-chan? Question.
What is the square root of 13?
Oh no, this is a hard one. Is it carry over?
No, that is 36.
Oh no, 33.
I might know it.
33? Yeah, it's 33.
Okay. What is the first answer? What is the first answer?
6.
Hey, first one. 2. 6. Hey. Okay. Stop. Okay, I think most of you got. Okay. The first digit duplex is almost this, but less than this. What is that?
33.
Is it 12? Is 12 a perfect square?
No.
Sorry, 9.
9 is okay. Nearest to perfect square 9. Okay, 9 means this is a 3. Okay, now.
3 again.
Now, okay, that means wait. Now 3. Okay, as Mahip said, 3 duplex of 3 is 9. Okay, subtract 4. Okay, 13 minus 9. Okay, still there is 4. Okay, this is actually a 46. This is the thing remaining.
Yeah, yes, 37.
Hey, this 46 is the duplex of 3 and some number.
37.
7. Wait, check. No, not 7.
42. But then there's still a reminder. There is no. Yeah, it's closest. It's the closest.
The closest. Yeah, you have to say the closest.
But then it has to be
What is the answer?
There is carry. 49.
Yeah, I know you. I know almost all of you got the answer. One or two of you didn't get.
7.
Even if you lose plus 4, 46. There will be.
Okay, somebody says this is a 7.
7.
Okay, good class.
You said half.
Oh my God! You are teaching yourself and you are coming with the answer. That's wonderful.
What about the 9?
Okay, I'll come. Okay, I'll tell. We'll see. Okay, somebody. Okay.
7 is 49.
Okay, you ready? Still, I didn't teach you the procedure. Okay. Okay, little bit I'm only giving the hints. Okay, somebody said 7. Okay, what is the duplex for 37?
42.
3 times 7, 21, double, 42. Okay, 46 minus 42 is? Still there is 4 remaining. This 4 means this is a 49. This 49 must be the duplex of? 7. You got it? That's it. Hey, shall I give you one more example so that you understand yourself? Or shall I simply tell you the procedure and you are done? Okay, example.
Yes.
Okay, some babies want
wrong with
procedure. Babies always want procedure. Who want procedure? Procedure. Two of you want procedure. Who wants example?
Not me.
Oh, that's wonderful.
No.
Who want nothing? 3136. It's a 2-digit number.
5, 2, and then
First answer is
5.
all of you agree?
Yeah.
First answer is 5 because 31 is not a
Nobody needs to know the right 5.
Why 5?
because. Thank you. So because this is you understood. Okay. So
7.
7 plus 7. 6.
Why?
No, R 63 divided by 6.
6 are 36. So it's not a perfect
63
square.
not 36.
What? It is a perfect square. Yeah, it is a perfect square.
I don't get
Yeah, it's correct. It's correct. It's 56.
Wait,
Right.
I doubt.
Yeah, it's right.
Wait, 5.
Huh?
6 carries and comes to 3.
So okay. Hey. So some of you didn't get it. So we'll teach. Okay.
Sir, I don't know who didn't get it, but I got
Okay, Malhar will again give us a chance to teach him. Thank you so much, Malhar. Today we are going to teach you how to find the square root of 3136 without a procedure but with perception.
Yes.
Okay. So this number,
31.
I understood that, but then
this one you understood. Okay. So almost 25 is gone. Okay. The remaining is
6.
okay. 63 is almost the duplex of these 2 digits. Almost. What it could be?
6 5s are 36.
6 5s are 30. 30 and double it. It's a. We have to double, no?
Double it.
Hey, duplex of 56 is
Okay, I understood.
60. 60 is gone. The remaining is 3. This 36 is the duplex of 6. You got it now.
Wait, you people just put that 6 there and then you checked.
Yeah, you thought they told 6 because there is a 36 here, right?
No.
They are not so dumb, okay?
No.
Okay, shall I tell you the procedure? All example.
Yes.
The final example. Okay, no more examples. Okay. The final one. The final one is 8649.
84 would be 6 and 49 bonus. 9 and 81. Yeah, 9. So 9, 7, that becomes 5. 5, 6, 93. No, wait, what?
93.
No, not 8. Huh? 93.
97.
Wait, what?
97 or 93? That was
97.
Hey, who say 97? 1, 2 people. Good. Who say 93?
I'm still calculating.
Okay, we'll give you.
Don't give time. Don't give time.
Hey, he was not there in the elementary class. Okay, so the kindest thing you can ever say to the other person is
Take your time.
Yeah.
93.
That's it. Okay, I'll tell you the procedure now. If I tell you the procedure, see. One more example, okay?
Yes.
Calculate.
3-digit number.
Yeah.
3-digit number. Malhar is a left-hander.
teach and you're telling the answer. This is the first time ever in my life that has happened. Okay. So this one actually I wanted to teach in the next class.
Wait, 5, 5,
So I have nothing to tell today. So I am telling you here.
First digit is 5.
First digit is
5, 4.
So wait, what's 4?
And then 2.
okay. There is a 4, right? Okay, you can say 4. You can write here or here. It's a 43. Oh yeah. 20, 40. The remaining is 3. 37.
6 is 24.
37. Now the third one is a duplex of 3 digits.
So 3 times
3-digit duplex is 37.
6.
Almost.
and then 4 times.
No, it's almost. Okay, it may not be fully. Okay.
6.
Hey, 2 or 6? How many say 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many say other one? 7? 6. How many say 6? Hey, if I put a 6, what is the duplex? Duplex of 5 over 6 is 37.
Times it will become bar.
You have to multiply these two, double it, and then add the square of it. Is it 37? No, it has to be. It is a 2. Class. All of you. That's wonderful. That's really wonderful. But
I did not understand.
I didn't tell anything. Why? What can you understand? I didn't tell. Wait. Now, can you please let me tell the procedure, please?
No.
Okay.
And this.
Hey, you ready? I'll tell you the procedure. 1. Okay. Now, babies will do.
Yeah, babies can.
Hey,
Babies can listen to the procedure.
I'll tell you the procedure. Now, babies will do. You ready? Okay. The answer is how many digits?
4.
Answer is a 2-digit number. Okay. So the answer is a 2-digit number. First digit is approximate square root of 18. What is that? 4. Okay. 4 times 4? 16. Still there is something remaining. What is that? 2. Okay, that 2 you put it and make it a 24. Now what you do is, hey, you ready? What is the double for 4? 8. 8 is the divisor now. 8 is the divisor. For we will use division
I
here.
understood.
We will do the division. Be with me.
I understood.
I know you all understood it long back. Okay, I am telling the procedure. Please understand procedure also. First digit you got it. You got first digit is approximate square root of this. You double it. This is the divisor. We are going to use a little bit of division to get the answer. Okay. Now double the first digit is the divisor. Okay. Okay. Now simply divide 24 with 8. That's it.
This is a long time ago I got this answer.
So wait. Now let me take 8649 again.
Hey, wait. I'll come back. I'll tell that also. Hey, now to check. Oh, yeah, go ahead.
Why did you use 8?
Yeah, why? Because
Use the first digit and double it and it will become the divisor.
you understood everything. Oh. Okay, now, divide 8. 24 divided by 8 is 3. Remainder is 0. We will just see. Now we will see if 9 is okay. Is 9 the duplex of 3?
Yeah.
Then it's perfect. Okay. So the other one we did is 1369. No.
Yeah.
1369. Its answer is a 2-digit number. What is the first digit? 3. 3 means divisor is a
6.
okay. So if 3 is there, the remainder was here. The remainder was
It's
4. Then the answer is 46 divided by 6 is 7. Answer is there. Done. Remainder is 4. It's a 49. Just to check that 49 is a duplex for.
Even 8649.
You got it? Oh my God, you are yarning. You see, as if you learned in your last birthday. Oh my
We did.
God, you are crazy.
I'm the magician at that time.
my God.
You understand what?
So he's saying that last word he thinks that still
I have all my life I taught so many people, but today is different. Okay, and then what was that? What was that we did for you? Do you want me to do the 8649?
No, I did.
Oh, one example I will give you right now. Okay.
Okay, fine.
Okay, 5184. You tell using this example. Now it's more easy. What is the answer? What is the square root of 5184?
7. So then it becomes 14. Divided 2. 72.
28 divided by 14.
72.
It's all over. There is nothing.
Everyone told the answer.
Oh my God. Today I cannot control you because if people start perceiving like this, they cannot be controlled. I know. They can be.
Sir, can you close the door?
If you see a person or if you see a number and find everything about it, you are unbeatable. Hey, you already did one thing. Okay, with 2, 9, what was that? 2, 9, 3, 7, 6, 4.
What?
You already did this, right? You already did this without my telling.
Oh, yeah.
You already did this.
That is going to be as long
At the same one we will do. Okay, ready? This is important. Okay, this is the final point for today. Be here with me. Okay. The answer is how many digits?
13.
Answer. It's a 6-digit number. The answer is going to be the square root is going to be how many digits? 3 digits. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and there could be a decimal point. Okay, but today we will only focus on perfect squares. Okay. So what is the first digit? First answer? 5, because 5 is the approximate square root of
Not 13.
29. 5 is the approximate square root of 29. What is the remainder? What is the remainder? 4. Okay, this number is the next number to be divided is? Mahit, no, don't distract.
Exactly.
No, hey, he's already distracted. Okay, don't distract. If you distract him, he will distract me. Then I will distract you. Okay, what is it?
That's called distraction.
No, this is 43, not distraction, okay? Oh, what is the divisor here? 10. What is, okay, 43 divided by 10.
4.
Remainder? 3. Now this is a 37. Now the point is only this. This is the only point you have to be careful. The thing is, before dividing this number with 10, you have to subtract the duplex of any number after 5. Okay? What is here? 37. 37 minus duplex of 4 is? 37 minus 16 is? 21. Oh, 21 you divide by 10. 2, remainder? 1. That's the answer. Okay, that is the only thing you have to be careful. There is nothing here. We already did this by yourself without my telling. Okay, we'll just see we are right or wrong. Okay, then what is this? 16 minus the duplex of 42.
16.
0.
Duplex of 42 is also 16. No, 16 minus 16? 0 divided by 10. 0 remainder. Okay, this is a 4. Now, 4 remainder duplex of 420. What is the duplex of 420? Sorry, 420. It's not 420.
4.
What is the duplex of these 3 digits?
4.
It's 4. 4 minus 4? 0. There is nothing. Okay, just for double check. I'm telling you. Right? This is how.
No, but how do we? I have a question. How do we figure out that it's a proper duplex or not?
Proper duplex or proper square?
Proper square.
So because I am only giving the proper squares for you. So this should be 0, 0, 0 if it could come. Today's homework also, everything will be a perfect square and you simply enjoy play. Okay? You all understood? Yeah. So the point is perception. If you develop your perception, you can simply by just looking at the question, you can get the answer like you did today. Okay? Yeah. So that's all for today. Thank you.